In the southwest corner of Montana, in the heart of the Bitterroot Valley, is where you will find the exclusive Stock Farm Club. Within this private community, nestled on stunning 17-acre estate, you will find the ultimate Western farmhouse, a breathtaking 25,000 square foot home, 4-stall horse barn, pond, and Artisan creek. The 12-bedroom, 15-bathroom main home features a grand main living area, multiple private guest quarters, and unique features throughout, including a grotto-style pool and underground shooting range. As part of the exclusive Stock Farm Club, whose cornerstone amenity is its Fazio designed championship golf course, it offers timeless elegance, complete privacy, and a Montana sense of coming home.
The home was listed for $27 million in 2018 and was sold for just $7 million in 2024.